Captions AI Review 2025. Is this the ultimate tool for fast, AI powered video editing? So let's break them down. So make sure to like and subscribe. Captions AI is designed for creators who want fast, automated editing, especially for short form video platforms like TikTok, Reels, or Shorts. The standout feature: auto captioning. Captions AI transcribes your speech in seconds and adds clean, dynamic captions that are timed perfectly. You can customize the font, animation, and position with just a few clicks. It also includes face tracking, automatic zoom-ins, jump cuts, AI cleanup for audio, and even voiceovers, all handled through a simple interface. If you're shy on camera, there's an AI avatar option that reads your script for you, perfect for faceless contents. Pricing wise, it has a free plan with limited features and exports. Premium versions unlocks HD exports, commercial usage rights, and more powerful tools. Compared to Adobe Premiere or CapCut, Captions AI is all about speed and automation, not deep manual control. For content creators looking to post consistently, this is a huge time saver. So to use it, you can just describe your topic or video, or you can do this. And then that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.